how to set the direction of the lever handle. Take down the screw inside, and now take down the handle. So this is the right direction. This is the left direction. So after you confirm the direction, install back the screws. But when you confirm the direction, here's a small R. Here's a small R and an arrow on the lock. So if it is a right direction handle, when you install the lock, the R should face up. If it is a left direction handle, you should rotate the arrow to face up. This is inside handle. How to set the direction? Take down the screw inside, and now left direction. This is right direction. Okay. And then install back the screws. Now it's set successful. Change the left-right direction of the lock body. Rotate the direction of the lock body, and rotate the latch. So the direction changed successful. Now install the lock body. Install the handle. Install the screw pillar. Fix the pillar by the plier. This is necessary process. Look at the middle here, the place. Look at here the small R, and here the small L. R means right direction, L means left direction. So if the handle is, this is the right direction handle. If it's the right direction, the R should face up. Okay. If it is a left direction handle, the L should face up. This is right direction. Install 4 pieces AAA battery.